Welcome to another episode of The Wong Reviewer. Today, we're going to review the XPG Battleground SL Prime RGB Gaming Mousepad. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future content. We're also going to put the splash-proof claim to the test, but hold on, let's unbox this first. The XPG Gaming Mousepad has RGB, splash-proof, and a detachable USB which powers the RGB. Highlights includes a detachable USB Type A to micro connection, RGB lighting that surrounds the entire mousepad. The fabric is Cordura, which is water resistant and durable. It has a large surface area, non-slip rubber base. It's 900mm by 420mm, or 3 feet times 1.4 feet. So here's the next panel. We'll zoom in and take a closer look at it. So again, it has a non-slip rubber base, two-zone RGB lighting, has a large surface area. I could put a full-size keyboard and a mouse on as well. It's Cordura fabric, which is scratch resistant surface, has a detachable cable and flexible and easy to arrange. And one of the key features we're going to test out is a splash proof, provides protection against liquid damage. So let's open it up. Game to the extreme. Alright, so it comes with a big tube. And the nice thing about it, it's wrapped in plastic so we know it's been kept clean. It's fairly easy to unroll. I just peel back the plastic and just popped right out. I am unrolling it, and I didn't realize how big it actually is. I had no concept of what 900mm and 420mm was when I bought it, but it's huge. So here's now a closer look at the Cordura fabric as well as the control panel. So accessories, let's talk about that. It comes with a braided USB A to USB micro connection. It's nice and long, which is nice. It comes with an XPG stickers. Again, game to the extreme. And it comes with a quick start guide as well, which I actually did have to look at. Now I'm going to show you how to turn this on and what the functionality is. So now it's turned off, it's plugged in through a micro USB. Hit it once, the light turns on. If I double click, it highlights which strand. So this is dual strand RGB. So if I now, because I double clicked and selected this light, if I cycle through the color, if I double click this again, going to choose both sets of lights. And if I hit it, scroll through it. Now both sides are lit up. And I can hit it and cycle through the colors. And if I hit the both side, if I double click again, only this one will light up. And now I can cycle through it. And that is how you use it. So now I'm going to expand out and go through it. So now we're going to take a closer look at the Cordura and we're going to splash it. Here I am dumping water right onto it. You can see that it actually beads right off. And with one wipe, it's completely dry. So here's another angle of me pouring water on. It beads and then runs. And then with one wipe, zoom in there, with one wipe, it's completely dry. Like, it's not damp at all, which is fantastic. Here are my overall thoughts on the XPG Battleground XL Prime RGB Gaming mousepad. That is a mouthful for a mousepad name. It's really big, which is what I like. It covers my full-size keyboard as well as my gaming mouse. In terms of gaming movement, when I'm playing Destiny 2, there's a wide range of movement. I don't have to worry about it sliding off the mouse pad or running out of real estate for playing. In terms of accuracy in my gaming, I usually play Destiny 2s, which is the only first-person shooter game I actually play. I do notice that my accuracy does improve with using the mousepad versus not using it. And before, I was just using the table itself. One thing that we did test out was the splash proof. I do work at my desk quite a bit. Sometimes I work from home. I do have a glass of water sitting here sometimes, and I have more than one occasion I have spilt water over my desk. And as you saw, it was just easy to wipe up. I wipe it up and it's not damp and it's not damaged at all. In terms of the RGB lighting, I really like the RGB lighting, and the fact that it's a large area that covers off too. I usually work in the dark. Right now I have 2 studio lights. I have my 2 Godox studio lights, so it's still bright in here for the video. But when it's nice and dark, the ambiance created from the RGB lighting from the mousepad, as well as my LED backlit purple light there, it's a really nice glow, and I feel it's less strain on my eyes, and I do like working in that environment. So overall, I'm very happy with the XPG Gaming mousepad. What are your thoughts? Are you using this one as well? If you have any questions, please put in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and like the video and subscribe to my channel. All right, until next time.